So I'm here with Loren Lochman from the Tanglewood Wellness Center down in Maryland, and Loren is one of the featured speakers here today, and we just had a great lecture at there today, Loren, and you had some great information. And from listening to you, I felt like things fall into two categories: what we put in our body, and then the ability for the body to remove things that we don't want from our body. So at first you talked about the different types of food and that not all food is actually food, which I found very interesting. So what would you say we would really consider a true food for us as human beings?
I would say that the human body is specifically designed for a diet of primarily fruit, tender, soft, leafy greens, lettuce, young dandelion greens, baby spinach.
So where'd you get this idea? Where'd you come up with that crazy idea?
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? I started by looking at nature, Kevin. I was sick, and I looked at what the animals were doing and realized there was a diet for each species. If you look at our digestive tracts, they're virtually identical to the digestive tract of every other anthropoid primate, with the exception of some of the gorillas.
Right.
This is what they do. They eat mostly fruit, a little bit of green leaves, and very small amounts of soaked nuts and seeds.
Right. And they seem like they seem to live pretty well, and they look like they're pretty healthy. So you thought that would be the right sort of thing for us, perhaps, huh?
Well, as I think you know, I was motivated by being very sick.
Right.
And conventional nutrition theory had already failed me. I didn't know where to look. And so I started looking out in nature, and it made sense to me. I was trying to figure out what was most natural to my body. The law of similars says that if two species share the same digestive tract, it means they share the same diet.
Would make sense, absolutely it would.
So it occurs to me that if we have the exact same system as these animals, we've evolved over millions of years, likely eating the same food.
Absolutely.